Hi everybody, today we are making earrings out of salt dough. That's right, salt dough, aka Play-Doh. Pretty cool, right? Let's make it! I have my salt dough that I made in the video right above, and I have the oven preheated to 200, and I'm gonna flatten this sucker out to about 1/4 of an inch, and that's just gonna be the thickness of the piece of earring that I want. It's already pretty smooth, no wrinkles, so if it is kind of cracking, you might want to fix that. And you can, oh, preheat's done. And you can put some spacers underneath it to get the same distance. I'm just doing it straight on top of the pan, that way I don't have to move it. And I'm using a wooden rolling pin. You just want to make sure that your surface isn't too porous, otherwise the salt dough is probably just going to stick right where you're putting it. So I want my salt dough piece to be this little square right here, and that will hold all the leather fringe coming down. I'm cutting my salt dough down to a narrow rectangular strip, and then I'm going to turn it into squares. Before I stick it in the oven, I'm going to tidy up the edges a little bit. I can also use sandpaper after the fact to make it more smooth or take away the sharp corners of the square. If you have some imperfections in the surface of the salt dough, that's where that fine grit sandpaper will come in handy as well. I'm going to put the salt dough in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and the time that you put it in there really depends on the thickness of the salt dough. So you can find a little chart in the description below. Yeah, looking pretty fancy. I like it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later.